Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to repost Instagram story in 2023. So there will be like several ways to repost someone else's story. If you want to repost the same story with your friends, make sure that you are tagged or mentioned by your friends. So the thing that you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure you are in a home sections here, and after that you just need to like jump into the top right corner here, and then just go click this DM symbol. And whenever someone mention you on their story, they will be pop up on your DM part, and then you just need to go click it to open it. And now you need to open this story section, and after you open it, there will be pop up here and add to your story button, and then to repost it you just need to go click this part. And you can also resizing this story if you want to make it like fulfilling all of the screen. Just click the story and the look will be fulfilling your screen. And if you want to add another text, you just need to go click this part, typing what do you want to have on this story, and after that you just need to go click done. You can adjusting the size by pinch with two of your finger and drag it into the specific part that you want. And after you're done, you just need to go click add to your story. So that is the way how to repost the Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.